guys.
Namaste. Hi, this is Diana.
And I'm Flo.
And we are here at the Om Yoga Ashram next to Dharamsala, next to Dal Lake, which is an awesome experience for everybody who wants to do maybe a yoga retreat or even a teacher training course.
Yeah. For all kind of classes, for beginners like me.
And for people who have a bit more experience like me. The cool thing is you're right in the nature, everything is green surrounding you. So every morning when you do yoga, you do it in front of all this wonderful nature and you just feel the positive energy every day growing into you.
Yeah, you see the birds, you hear them.
And if you don't see them here, you will see them on your tracks in the mountains that you do during the days, or you will see them when you go to the Dalai Lama temple, for example. And if you don't get positive energies there, then I don't know what to do.
Where to go.
Yeah,
that's true.
But really, you have to be here to know and to enjoy and to see.
Yeah.
So I am coming back in November to do my teacher training course. So just come, see, taste the grapes.
Check it out how it is, and I think you won't be disappointed. We highly recommend it.
Yeah.
So bye guys, see you here maybe.